Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to insert the pie charts in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, whatever is your project, the data, first select that, like I'm having this one. So I'll select this one. After selecting, we'll just click on insert, and here in this charts group, you have an options called pie chart or donut charts. When you click on it, you have various types of pie charts and one of here is donut chart. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. After selecting, your pie chart will be appeared to the screen. You can move it or you can adjust the scale from here, or you can change the length or the height. Also guys, you can change the chart style from here. You can change the color, individual blocks. You can change the layout from here guys. And also you wanna switch the rows to the column, then you have here an option like in this pie chart is showing on only October how much sales is done by Jack, Sam, Ames and Jim. But now when you select this one, then it's showing how much sales Jack did in October, November, December, and what's the total and the average. Total is 40%, the average is 20%. Great. Similarly guys, you have one more option here is format. When you select it, then you have shape style, like this is the shape. What is the shape? This rectangular. And when you select it, then you can change the background from here, or you can fill the color, you can add any outline, or you can add any effect. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.